To them quiet looks like weakness, but you don't have to fight it, 'cause you're strong enough to win without war. Every heart has a rhythm, let yours get out so loudly that everyone can hear it. Yeah, I promise you don't need to hide it anymore. Oh, we'll never be afraid of doing something different. Dare to be something more. Trust no one has been real or wishing all it was sticks and stones. Yeah, those words got deep, but they don't mean you're all alone. You're not invisible. Hear me out. There's so much more to life than what you're feeling now. Someday you'll look back on all these days, and all this pain is gonna be invisible. These labels that they gave you, just 'cause they don't understand. If you look past this moment, you'll see another friend, breathing on her for who you are and all you gotta do. Yeah, so here's to you, here's to anyone who's ever felt invisible. Yeah, and you're not invisible. Hear me out. There's so much more to life than what you're feeling now. Someday you'll look back on all these days, and all this pain is gonna be invisible. It'll be invisible.